And here, okay, look, say that again. The tea's here. What tea?
You left your cup here from last time.
Yes.
Just take that here.
Yes. I love it. How are you doing? It's been a while.
It has been a while. All good.
It definitely
All
has.
good.
It definitely has. So, what is it you primarily do?
So most of the work I get is steering wheels, but I have ventured into doing other things. So again, like armrests. We've got gaiters here.
Lovely.
And again,
oh yes,
this carbon fibre piece here.
Oh baby.
That was also done by me.
Baby.
With
Beautiful.
genuine carbon. So
Yes.
it's not a hydro dip. It's not a wrap.
It's not wrap. Yeah.
It's all done properly.
The proper shebang.
So certain wheels we offer an exchange, which a lot of these wheels are exchange.
Okay.
We can customise thread colour, so can order in a cut. Even if we don't have a colour, we can order it in. Don't mistake me for other companies that just put a cover over the top of the leather.
No.
So, for example, this is a steering wheel. Let's get that back on. This is actually one of my customers' steering wheels. 10 points if you can guess what car this is off.
This is from a van, a Mercedes.
You're going to offend the owner.
Oh no, what is it? Vauxhall.
You are properly going to offend the owner.
Audi.
Yeah, you're going to offend him. So for the M4, M3, 3 and 4 series, these are all the tools that you need to install the new parts. So if you were too far from me and you don't want to drive down to me, which is understandable, as some of you guys are.
And where are you based anyway?
So I'm based in Rickmansworth, so it's close to Watford. It's near the M25, so nice and easy to get to. So, but if you guys are too far away, these are the tools that you need to take everything off and put them back on again.
I've heard through the grapevine that you can actually dismantle a steering wheel with your eyes closed.
I think I can.
We need to put him to the test.
And I think I could do it quicker than you.
Shut up.
With your eyes open.
Shut up. Alright, let's get it done. Let's get it done. And action.
So, I did say to some of my customers that I can do it with my eyes shut. We are actually putting it to the test now. So, had to compromise on the blindfold, but there we go.
No way. He's done it. So as you saw, the man himself has managed to do it in just under 8 minutes. So fair play to him. This is obviously going to be something you guys are going to see when you do order a wheel on a exchange basis.
Yeah, that's correct.
How does that work again?
If you guys can't come down to me, the wheel will get sent to you like this. Yeah, all you do, swap over your old bits to your new wheel and send your old wheel back to me.
Perfect.
And you'll get your surcharge back.
Lovely. And just to point out, guys, if you click on the link in the description, obviously me and Valentino have done a video before on A to Z on fitting a steering wheel on my M140, so make sure you guys check that out. So as you can see, Lovely 12 o'clock stripe in black. Again, with the car being black, I just thought we'd go for black, but you can do other colours. We've got the tri-colour BMW stitching. The thickness is OEM, bearing in mind that it's not a cheap little wrap over. It's obviously shaven back. It cleans it up properly. I'm going to leave some links and some pictures as well, so you can see how exactly he does it. And obviously, as you can see, the stitching, the tri BMW colours are absolutely beautiful. There are some parts over here in regards to cleaning. I'm going to quickly ask Valentina just to give me three, like what are these and what do they do?
So this is like your soap for the alcantara. Yep. That's your brush.
Yep. So how are we using the brush?
So brush, you spray the interior cleaner on the wheel.
Okay.
Very light brush over. You don't want to be pressing down on it too hard.
Sure.
And once it's a bit wet, microfiber towel, dry it off.
Lovely. So you're gonna have to excuse the mess, guys, but have a look at this. So again, tri-colour BMW stitching, absolutely on point. Look at it, lovely, matching those two over there. But for now, let's focus on this. We also went for the black 12 o'clock stripe, bearing in mind this car is sapphire black, lovely metallic paint that again needs loads of work. And looking in here, oh lord, the attention to detail is absolutely spot on. And even if you look just here, this matches that perfectly. Probably need to get this swapped out and that in carbon on another day. But yeah, look at that. Again, Alcantara armrest with the BMW stitching. And if we just slide it back, I've got a little thing for you guys. Choose! So guys, if you are interested in making your car look like this or even better than this, if you can beat this, good luck. Again, check out the links in the description below. I'll have Valentino's Instagram and his website details below. But yeah guys, as usual, if you have found this video helpful, please smash the thumbs up button, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I will see you in the next one. God bless.